Hey guys, for this video, I want to show you how I downloaded Taboo on my iPhone for completely free. Now, what Taboo is, it's just a tweaked version of, the regular Taboo app. And as you can see, let me just focus the camera here. I have unlimited keys and I have the max amount of diamonds you can get. So everything is completely free and you don't have to, download anything. I can just prove to you that the diamonds work. So we're gonna go into a new story and I'll show you that, the hairstyles and stuff. So here's a premium hairstyle. There you go, it works. And I guess all these say premium, but everything is completely working, everything works well. So now we're going to get into actually downloading Taboo++. So what you need to do to start this download is you need to go into your settings first. This only matters if you're on iPhone, by the way, but you can still download this app on iOS and Android. So you want to go into settings, find general, go to background app refresh, and just make sure that this has been turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. This just lets you download an app from an external source. I know some people have had issues if their background app refresh wasn't on. So that's all you have to do for the starting steps. Now we can go ahead into actually downloading it. So if you're using an iPhone, it's best to use Safari. You can use Google if you really so desire, but it's best to use Safari. There's not as many bugs. And if you're using an Android phone, you can go ahead and use Google. But you just want to open it and you want to type in this link right here, assyapps.cc. This is a tweaked app store that I found recently. It's really cool. It has tons of different tweaked apps or apps that you'd usually have to pay for, apps with mods. There's emulators on here. And all you want to do, you can scroll through and search for it, or you can just type in Taboo and it should just pop up right here. There are two versions. This is just the version before the update. It still works if you would rather that one, but today I'm going to be showing you how to get the 2022 update. So we're just going to click on that and this is going to pop up. This is just this injection just wants you to download, as you can see, downloading the file onto our phone. This should just take as long as any other app downloading onto your phone. So just kind of depending on your Wi-Fi speed. Just make sure that you don't exit out of this screen. You don't want to close it. You don't want to lock your phone. You don't want your internet connection to be unstable, because otherwise, if there's any issues with that, it might mess up. So you just want to leave it be, let it download. So it's just going to finish up right here. As you can see, it didn't really take that long at all. And now it's going to bring you here. So missing files required. In order to continue with the installation, follow all the instructions fully to install them onto your device. Now it's just going to ask us to do some offers, which means just downloading some apps from the App Store, because someone's going to make their money somehow, as Taboo++ is free. So this one wants you to download and install the app, then run it for 30 seconds. So we're just going to click Let's Go. This is just making sure you know that you need to follow the offer instructions fully and make sure you're not using a VPN. So we'll click continue and it should just redirect us right to our app store, whether that's the Google Play Store, whatever Android has, or the regular app store on iOS. And we'll just let that download onto your phone. As you can see, it's downloading. And then we'll come back into our browser, scroll back over here to this page, click on next app. It's going to look for another app for you. So this one, same instructions, which is very lucky. Just to download and install the app, run it for 30 seconds. We'll click Let's Go. Again, the same, disclaimer. Download it from our app store. You can see it's downloading. And then we'll come back to this page yet again. Click Next App. Okay, so it only wanted us to do two. Those are super easy instructions too. So all done. The app should install in a moment. Thank you for using our service. If you experience any issues, you can tap the button below to retry. So if you download your two apps, or however many apps you have, sometimes there's 3, sometimes there's 4, you just want to make sure that you follow the instructions. But sometimes things don't work, and you'll just come back here. You can click retry and it's just going to look for some more apps for you to download. I mean, I haven't ever had any issues with it, but you know, issues do happen. So, but that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to get Taboo Plus Plus on your device. Let me know how it worked for you in the comments below. Leave a like on this video and subscribe.